What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, and I want to talk to you for a second. So, let's wrap, smoke one, do some welding. And I want to talk to you about some of these laws out, because you know they're making new laws out now where Nevada is one state that doesn't drug test you for marijuana. So for those who take in medical marijuana, which I do, I have my card. I actually have two cards, one for Arizona and one for Denver. And now that they're switching the laws up and putting it on the federal level, it's going to make things easier for those who don't want to take opiums for their pain or for their side effects or whatever they're going through from past illnesses or mental health problems. So it's a good thing that they're now trying to open that up, which I think is a catch-22, because you can take opiums, heroin type base, meth type base, over-the-counter drugs on the job site. I done seen these dudes fall asleep in lifts, forklifts, like, man, it's unreal. But they can take that. But you say you smoke a little weed when you get off, it's going to mess the whole job up. Or they'll say, well, we want to make sure you're not smoking on the job. I have never seen rolled up on the job site and just seen them buying up blunts, just smoke everywhere. No, man, we smoke when we get off. You know what I mean? We smoke when we get off. Some do like they do in the morning time. They take their pills before they go to work. Some smoke a little bit before they go to work, but it's not like a high. It's like drinking coffee. You know what I mean? Just get you on the level and focus you out. You ready to go? Because they do have marijuana strains that's just like coffee. It don't get you messed up. It just gets you focused. You know what I mean? They got different strains for some people need different things for different reasons. To slow them down, help them think better, not be stressed out. If you got high anxiety, they got some strains that helps you with your anxiety, bring that down. So I just want to talk to you about that because I know ain't nobody addressing it. And if you're a welder and you're in the field, you know, we get things being in the field. You use your hands all the time. My hands hurt, you know. My hands stay sore sometimes, you know what I mean? I can feel the arthritis coming in and carpal tunnel that I've already been diagnosed with, but I'm not going to take that surgery because it's more than a 50-50 chance that if I do, that I won't be able to use my hands at all. So I'm like, hell no. I just rock it out, you know what I mean? But it's come from just working. So certain things when you in life, you're going to work, you're going to get sore, you're going to get issues from doing certain jobs. Like each job carries certain things that could happen to you over time. You know what I mean? And a lot of people like to say, oh man, you welding, it's going to mess your eyes up. Man, my eyes been the same since whatever. I don't try to weld without my welding hood. Don't do that. Don't even tack, close your eyes. Because you still getting them UV rays through the skin now, even though you close your eyes. So you want to put your hood on and make it happen. But before I get any further, let me smoke with you. Because it's been one of them mornings already. I'm about to do some fabrication, and before I do, this is like my coffee, so I don't get like stupid high. I just mellow out, and I'm gonna get in the zone and knock some stuff out today. But I wanted to talk to you about this because there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, actually, the governor of Illinois and the movement in Illinois just started a reparation program, and I think that is real dope. Where for the Black Americans that's staying in that area who haven't get the opportunities that they should have had, they're now starting a program with the legalization of marijuana to give back to black recreations. Now, you can look at that from both sides. It could be a good and a bad thing, but at least they doing something, And after all the blacks and people of color who has been incarcerated, Latinos that has been incarcerated for marijuana, they have made so much money off of us. Now they getting rich and they like, you know what? We feel bad about this. Maybe we should do something. It's a trip, man. That's why I say, man, it's literally a catch-22. So you got to be smart. You got to know your business. You got to be about your business. And I'm not into letting someone control me. This is what I do. I don't take over-the-counter pills. I don't do that. That's not my thing. And Actually, to be honest with you, that's how my mom died. My mom died from an accidental overdose. Stuff they told her to take together stopped the heart. So you can keep listening to these folks who keep giving you this medicine, especially when you're from a rural area. Man, they just trying to sell us drugs. They just trying to sell us something. Oh, I think you might have cancer. Do you know how many people that got diagnosed with cancer, especially black people from the South, different areas, that didn't even have it? The doctors were selling them stuff, selling them chemo, selling them this. Get them all sicked up. They died. They got a check. Well, it's a cold game. So you need to learn it because ain't no love out here, honestly. So, me starting the program with welding hip hop and, let's rap, smoking well, I'm pretty much just putting you up on game. I wish I had someone that was a mentor or someone that was a coach or a leader just to sprinkle me a little bit. You know what I mean? I know there's many things that I can't address on, but what I can address on, I will, you know. We only got one life. And if I can help you with mine, improve yours, then hey, get your hog on. Get it on, literally. Get it on. You know what I mean? Use what I got, use what someone else got, put it together. Find out where you need to be at. And I also wanted to say this video because I know I have some followers that's scared to move. You in an area it's not working out for you. Don't be afraid to move. I'm born in Little Rock, raised in Arkansas and Denver. I had to move around. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona right now. I had to move around to find my peace. So if you got to move around, move around. Get your hog on. Don't let nothing hold you back. But just remember this. Be conscious of the laws. Be conscious of your environment. And most definitely, stop limiting yourself. Stop saying that, oh, I got to go by the system. Because there's no rules to this. You use the knowledge that others did to get there. And then you put your mix in it. Other than that, there's no rules. But don't think that you got to go by what they've been doing for 50 years, 100 years. The rules have completely changed the last decade. So get up on the knowledge, get up on the game, do what needs to be done, and get your hog on. Be blessed. I'm out.